Welcome to the wrapping tutorial. This is number 5, Little Bundle. Now, this is a very simple wrap. Just start with whatever wrap you're using. The material, you want stretchy material, ever so slightly see-through is really great for this because you want to see their hands and arms and legs peering through. And for this one, you're going to have your little one's legs and hands all tucked up and in again. Now don't worry if your baby suddenly jump out, that's a startle reflex, it's totally normal. And if they do happen to spring open, just gently rock them back to a nice deep sleep again. So this time you're going to place your baby in the center of the material, nice stretchy fabric, and you're going to take one end and take it straight across the front of your baby over the top. Just put your hand gently over their hands and feet just to help to keep them in place whilst you're organizing yourself. And you're going to start by making a knot, a nice loose knot, not overly tight. And double it over. You can even triple it, but this is all about that lovely folding organic effect that's going to derive from this. So your baby is literally a little bundle inside this wrap. You can see their hands, you can see their arms, they're all tucked up. Now to save you time, we'll speed it up because I could literally play for hours just rearranging this fabric until I'm happy with it. But obviously don't have to copy me. You can do exactly what you want that works for you. All I'd say is just have it nicely going out to the side. If you need to adjust your baby towards the light, place your hands securely around their thighs, their shoulders, and then turn your baby as a whole into the position that you would like them to be in. And of course, try to do this with as little movement and disruption as possible, just to make sure that they are kept sleepy and settled and happy. And now you are ready to take your photos.